Welcome. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Another one incoming as Fînàlly leader Pa Adebanjo has stated that there is no one Nigeria and that everyone to defend all Israel. Well, he stated that what these presidential aspirants are doing is just to divide the Southwest. He said that they do not like anybody and they just want to rule. He also stated that he told Tinubu himself, not in the papers but face to face, that Buhari is using style to break up the Southwest. He said, why is it that he decided to give you, so he decided to tell you to run for presidency and also asked Oshibanjo to contest, also asked Fayemi to contest, and also asked Amosu to contest, all in the West? Well, Pa Ayo Adebayo questioned this, saying that he just wants to divide the West first and that very soon it will go on to the South. He also reprimanded Goodluck Jonathan, saying that it is unfortunate that Goodluck Jonathan is allowing himself to be disgraced by mentioning the fact that he is considering to run for presidency. He stated that he frets over this. Well, Bayo also made reference and went down memory lane as he said that he remembered the struggle and the campaign he made for good luck, and that the principle that every part of the country has is that no man, no matter how small, you are entitled to the highest position in this country. He also made reference to the past, saying that this is not the Nigeria he fought for and the Nigeria he struggled for. He also made it known that he was a follower of Azikiwe and also a follower of Awolowo. He reiterated that he doesn't want one Nigeria where one will be dominating the other, that there is no unity between the people of Nigeria. He said that he doesn't want a Nigeria where the us and the riders will not be in unity. He said that the Northerners will always be the rider and while the rest of the country will be the us. He stated that if it's going to continue like that and if it's like that, then everyone should go to their friend or Israel. He continued further that we are at a crossroad now and he is too old to be bending fast and says that it is the North that doesn't want to yield power and they know the way to do it is to divide the country. So Badebajo was saying that at the end of the day, it's the North that always yields power. And at the end of the day, when it doesn't go their way, they want to divide the country. They want to divide the nations. And that why they put their candidates on, they expect that the remaining ethnic groups, the remaining people, the Igbos and Yorubas should just be the ones serving them, while the Northerners will continue to rule. He stated that they should not let anybody deceive them, that rotation is needed, that it's high time that we rotate, that we should stop saying that, oh, it's only the Northerners that are allowed to rule. That every other tribe, every other ethnic groups are allowed to ruled. He also stated that when they brought on the notion for self-government in 1954, that the law said that they were not ready for independence because of their backwardness. He also said that Awolowo persuaded the Sultan of Sokoto and said that he wanted them to refuse and they wanted self-government. Adebanjo said that Nigeria was not ready for self-government during that time, that they just wanted to move for self-government, and that he even went further to make a 9-point program of reasons why they should not separate from Nigeria, for reasons why Nigeria should not gain independence. He said that Awolowo tried to drag Taraba, saying that they should not be Nigeria, that they should just continue with the regions. He said that to today, people are still blaming Chief Awolowo of drawing him back. He said that maybe if he had gone, maybe there would have been peace in Nigeria. But he said that one of the things that they fought in London in 1954, in the conference they had in London, was to give respect to language, culture, and ethnic grouping. But then now, everything just goes on normally, that nothing is going on like before again. But Banjo is saying that at the end of the day, the Nigeria was not ready for self-government when they declared for self-government, when they passed on the notion that they wanted self-government in 1951. He is saying that let everyone go to their country. And this is what the agitators are fighting for. Not only the Yoruba agitators, this is what also Igbo agitators are fighting for. We have the Yoruba nation, the Oduduwa nation, we have the Biafra. And everyone wants a separate nation. Nobody wants one Nigeria again, because we can see what is happening. You can see what's going on. For even Pa Ayo Adebanjo to say that they are trying to divide Nigeria. Because why is it that how many people are looking to become president from just a party, from just APC? And you all are all in the Southwest. So you are dividing the minds of the people in the Southwest. You are telling them that, oh, you have to vote for this, you have to vote for that, you have to vote for this. Why is that one candidate cannot just come from APC to represent the Southwest? Why is it that there are several presidential aspirants from the Southwest? So he is saying that this is just a plan from Buhari to destabilize the Southwest, to divide the people of the Southwest, and that very soon they will also come over to the South to do whatever they want to do or whatever they deem it fit to do. Well, he stated that during Awolowo's time, things were good. That he was not only a follower of Awolowo, that he was a follower of Azikiwe also, saying that he did not start from here. He is not a small child. He did not start from here. He started since. He was around during Awolowo's time. He was around during Inamdi Azikiwe's time. And now what he is asking is that they should just divide. Nigerians should go. Everyone should go their separate ways. There should be no more Nigeria. Let the Yoruba nation have their own nation. Let the Igbos have their own nation. Let the Yoruba race have their own nation. Enough is enough. Where you are only giving power to the north, you're only giving power to the northerners. And that is why they have the guts to feel like they can do anyhow they want to do with us. See the killings, the Fulani herdsmen and all. You can see what is going on. And that's because the north have been yielding power since. They have been the one that have been in power since. I can imagine there's a way they even say that is the North are meant to be in power. Why are the others? Why is there no need for rotation? Why is it that one particular tribe must be in power for a very long time? Well, a lot of people have disagreed and said that there is need for rotation. Their very favorite leader is just saying that there is need for rotation. There is need to have other people being put in power. And if that is not possible, then Nigeria should just divide and let everyone have their own separate nation. Let the Yoruba people have their nation and let the Igbo people have their nation. Let the Hausa people also have their nation. Well, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe and flood my comment section telling me what you feel about this news just hitting you right now. And don't forget to turn on your notifications to get more news from us. As you do that, may the Lord continue to bless you. Thank you.